How to use Smartsheet, step-by-step guide for efficient workflow management. Hey guys, welcome to a spreadsheet tutorial in which I will be going through all of the different features and tools, and I will tell you everything you need to know about Smartsheet. So let's get started. Smartsheet is a project management software that allows you to collaborate with your team, to do event management, to track your progress and run your business. So in order to get started with Smartsheet, what you have to do is you can just simply go to smartsheet.com and you will land on this website right here. After that, you can actually sign up using your Google account or your email address, or you can even select a pricing plan to avail all the features. So after the initial sign up, you will get on your dashboard. You can see this is the basic dashboard that you will be getting with Smartsheet. On this side of the screen, you will see Home, Notifications, Search, Browse, Recents, Favorites, Resource Management, Work Apps, and Create. Now, this Create option is the one that allows you to create a project, a workplace, and then create tasks. So what we're going to do is we're going to simply go ahead and create our project. So I'm going to click on Create here, and now we can select a project, program, or process. So we can have different templates here. There's different types of views as well. So we have a guided project setup, we have workspace, import, and more, simple project plan, a project for scheduling, simple project portfolio, or more. So I'm gonna go with the very simple simple project plan for the launch. So I'm gonna select this one. You can see this is a template available that we can go for. So I'm gonna click on Create from Template, and now Smartsheet will create a project for me. And there you go. We have our simple project ready. You can see because it's a template that I use, so you can see a bunch of things here, but I'll show you everything that what it represents. With Smartsheet, a lot of people think that maybe it's a bit difficult to use. It's very user-friendly, and the outlook of the application is also pretty basic. Now we can see we have the name of the project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first of all change the name, and we're going to call it our Test Project X for the purpose of the video. So we're going to go for Text Project X. Perfect. Now what I can do is I can click on Add option here that will allow me to add a sheet, report, dashboard, folder, import, or a workspace. So here we have 3 items available within the workspace. We have Ping here, project dashboard, and task tracker. Let's create a new workspace within this project so that I can show you everything from the scratch. So once I create a new, you can see this is a brand new workspace, and we have a new sheet ready for it. So within the sheet, this is just like a list, you can say. So you have different, entries here. You have different cells, of course, and you can see the title here. Now, this is a grid view. I can actually switch to a Gantt view, a calendar view, or a table view as well. So if I switch to the table view, then it will look something like this. It totally depends on you. What kind of view do you prefer? Similarly, I can even switch to a Gantt view or calendar, or we have grid. So we're gonna go back to the grid view. Okay, perfect. Now what we're going to be doing is, you can see at the top we have different lists. So we have primary column, we have column 1, column 4, and more. We can actually change the name of these columns as well, or we can insert a column left. Of course, how it works on a sheet. So we can insert a column right. So you just click on these 3 dots to insert the column, to delete, to lock the column, to freeze, hide, or even check out the cat. So if I want to add the name of this sheet, so we're gonna go ahead and add Test Sheet. So now here, I can of course add my entries, or we can attach. So with each entry, for example, the first one, I can attach a file in this row. So for that, we're going to select the first option. You can see attach file to this row. In the attachments, we have row, sheet, and all. Here, attach file to row 1. So all I have to do is just now select from my PC, I can upload. We can even get from a URL. We have Google Drive, Box, Dropbox, Evernote, or any other platform. So you can simply attach a file here. I'm going to go ahead and attach from my computer. So I'm just going to click on upload a file, and maybe we can upload this one. So we're going to add here. So you can see this will be added right here and it will be attached to this first one. The next option is add a comment, and then we have add a proof. Click on add a proof, and this is where you will be adding row 1 proof. Drop your file here or upload. It's going to be very similar to what we just did. You can upload now proof here, we can add it here, or we can leave a comment as well. For example, I'm just going to add like test proof for the purpose of the video. This is the comment that I wanted to add with this. So once you're done with the proof, then it will be added here too. You can see now we have two things here. We have a file, we have the proof, and then we even have set a reminder. So let's actually set a reminder for this one. And what we can do is we can set a reminder for tomorrow. Click on save, and now you will be able to see that this one has all of these different features. We have primary column. Now in this cell, of course, I can add any information I want to. You can add information about your sales, your your workflow, how you can add different types of data. So Smartsheet is actually a very upgraded version of, you can say, spreadsheet or any other project management software. It works a bit different than that. And if you like to work within the cells, you like your data represented in a specific way, then I think this platform is really good for you. The next thing we can do, of course, is at the top here, we can create different filters. So you can add the name of the filter. So for example, in my case, I want to add the name of the filter, which is going to be new. And then we have match the rows or columns. So we can just like go with the rows here, click on apply, and you can see any filter will be created. Similarly, we can actually customize the text here. We can go with the fonts at the top here. We can have the colors, and you can customize your look completely. We can even like maybe change the color, the print view, the conditional formatting, and then we have highlight option. And here you will also get the add image option, attach file, and more. So just like you would deal with a sheet, so you will get all of the options right here. So if I want to add something, for example, we have test, and it will be added here. Maybe I want to add here test 2. We can add here test 3. We can add here test 4. So it looks something like this. You can see this way you will create your list. Once you're done with the list here, what we can do is we can just click on share here, and we can share the workspace. So you can access everything in the workspace, or you can just share the sheet. So let's say I wanted to share this sheet. So I will just click on sheet, and it will give me link as well. So I can copy the link from here, or I can invite people to this sheet too. How to invite someone? It's really easy. You can just click on share, and then you can enter the email address of that person. So let's say that I want to invite this person to this sheet. So I'm just going to enter their email address. After entering the email address, we can just click on editor, what kind of role they will be doing. For example, if it's admin, editor, commentator, viewer, so you will select it. So this person is actually editor but cannot share. Okay, perfect. We can even customize the message, or we can notify people, or even add more people. You will click on people with access. Who are these people that have access to this sheet? You will see them right here. Once you're done with the details, you will click on share, and this sheet will be shared with that person. This is how we share a sheet on Smartsheet. So once you're done with all of the data input here, at the top we have the automation option. So let's go ahead and create an automation. For that, I'm going to click on automation, click on create from template. So here we can see a bunch of different templates for automation. We can pick a workflow template that will modify as we need. We have popular templates, for example, alert someone when specific criteria are met, remind someone on specific date, or do this or that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create this one, which is remind someone on a specific date, because I want to kind of like assign some people or remind some people of the work that is being done. So I need to use this template. What we will do is we will click on use template. Now we need to add the name of the workflow. So the name of this one is going to be reminder. Then trigger when a date is reached exactly, or when rows are added or changed. So when a date is reached, run once on, okay, so on this date, this person will be notified at actually 10 a.m. Perfect. So this will happen when a date will be reached, which is 10 a.m. on Monday, this on 15th, right? So what will happen? First, there should be a condition here as well. So I'm gonna go with column 2. This is my condition that if column 2 is one of the is actually blank, then what will happen? This person will be alerted. Send a specific person. So yes, I want to send it to this person right here. I've added their name. Now we can customize the message. The subject will be check this project or check this task. This is my automation. And then we can, I don't want to add any more text here. Then we have message includes links to sheet and all fields. Yes, it does. And now you can see right here, we have this automation created that when this will be reached, when this time will be reached, this person will be notified automatically. If I want to add more, actions to it, I can click on this add and we can add a condition or an action as well. I want to add another action, and that is going to be actually to request an update. So after that, once they've done this work, I want an update from them. So what will happen? Again, this was going to be a specific person, and I'm going to add the name that the update should be sent about this automation and this reminder. I will click on save, and now you will be able to see that we have a brand new automation created, which is this. Similarly, I can see more templates to create automation. I think Smartsheet has one of the easiest and very clear automation system that allows you to create automations about anything, and it helps you manage your tasks better and automate your work. So it has a huge automation template gallery that you can check out, and you can manage your workflow. You can even start from the scratch if you like, and you can create your own workflows. For example, you can add the trigger here. You can select an action. So for example, the trigger could be maybe when rows are added, and in action, we have a lot of these like request and approval, assign people, clear cell, lock the rows, unlock, and more. So I'm just going to click on save, and now you will see that this was the automation and the workflow management within Smartsheet. Moving on, we have the forms option. We can create a form within our Smartsheet as well. You don't need to use any other third-party tool or application to create forms. Creating a form is really easy. You can see we have a simple editor. Firstly, we have to change the name of the form. So we have test sheet, it says. So I'm just going to call it test form. There you go. Next, we have the description of the form. So I'm gonna say like maybe this is the test form that we are creating. So I'm just gonna go with this one. Then we have the primary column, column 2, column 3, and column 4. If you want to delete any of the column, you can do that from here. Let me actually show you how we add it. So it's a simple drag and drop. So what we need to do is before the primary column, I actually wanted a heading or a description here. So for this heading, again, I want people to know what they're doing here. And then we can add a divider. So I'm just going to add drag and drop the divider here. And we can add here. And with the plus, we can add the name of the field. Now here we can create a checkbox, we can add symbols, we can add numbers or more. So I'm going to go with a drop-down list and click on OK. So this one is maybe going to be new. Click enter, click OK. And you will be able to see that now we will have a drop-down list. Click on OK. So we can see right here that we have the divider. We can even upload a file, and then we can add the different columns here. For example, column 2, we can add even the primary column, and then we can arrange them according to our requirements. So here you'll be able to see the field settings. If I switch to the settings, I'll be able to see the vertical or side by side or plain kind of like view here. And then we can even check out the form submission, that where it will be submitted or what message will be displayed when it is being submitted. So creating a form is really easy, and it's very basic. You can even like customize it if you want to. You can customize the form, and you can add any type of field, or you can add the logos as well. So once your form is ready, you can click on open form, share form, or save. So for now, I'm just going to click on save and save the form. We will not be sharing it because I created it for the video. So now you can see our form is ready. So we can just go back, and you'll be able to see that in my list in forms, I will have the form, and I have a form ready here that I can add to my sheet. This is for this sheet specifically. Then we have the connections. This is where I can create or manage the workflow. I'm going to click on create workflow, and this will give me the data shuttle for my sheet. In the workflow, we can see the source, actions, targets, last runs, and workflow type. Here we can also get the contact us option if you want to add a data shuttle to your subscription. You can see the sources, the actions, and we can even, this is the my workflow, and then we can even find the archived workflows here. Now I'm going to take you back to our main dashboard home. So we checked out different options within the sheet. Then what we can do is we can also go to the resource management. What is resource management? With this, you will be able to balance your workload. You will be able to track time with ease and forecast with confidence. This is the next level, resourcing or planning or organization that you can do. So this one is actually you will have to request a free trial for this one if you want to check out this feature. If we go to create now, you can see now that we have simple plan, we have other plans as well, and I can now even create a form from here, a dashboard or more. So if you wanted to create a board maybe for the agile work management, then you can also do that. If you want to import data, you can just simply go to import, and this is where I can import data from my Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Projects, Google Sheets, Trello, and more. And then you can see here we have the projects. I'm just gonna go back to my project here. Okay, you can see all of the sheets that we have created here. So I'm gonna go with test sheet. So let me show you the project dashboard now. And with the project dashboard, you can see the project that we created in the beginning, which is the test project X. Here we can see the project dashboard. We can see the visual representation of the board as well. We can actually switch different views. If you go to view, you can auto refresh, or you can go for the presentation mode as well. We have file where we can see save as new, rename, print, show, and more. And then we have the edit option, which is the edit dashboard, dashboard settings, and more. So with the browse here, what we can do is we can browse between our workspaces and sheets. We can even create brand new sheets here, or we can even check out the different actions, and we can do bulk actions within this option. Then we have notifications, where I will be getting all the notifications for my Smartsheet. If you want to invite different team members to your Smartsheet, you can also do that. So within your sheet here, you can click on the share option and you can invite that person. So with all of these features, you might wonder what's the affordability of Smartsheet. So let me go through the pricing plan so you have an idea. So this is the pricing plan for Smartsheet. You can try out any of the plan for free as well. We have a pro plan for just $9 per member per month if billed yearly. And with this, you will be getting unlimited free viewers. You will be getting Gantt table and board and calendar view, rich formulas, unlimited sheet forms and reports, plus 250 automations per month as well. Then there is a business plan for $19 per member per month if billed yearly. 3+ members available, unlimited guests and viewers. This is really good for businesses, and it includes unlimited free guests, timeline view, team workload tracking, admin capabilities, unlimited automations, 1 TB of attachment storage. Then there is an enterprise which is the custom, and it is for 10+ members. You can contact the service for this, and here you actually get the work insights, you get the collections, you get the formula text and charts, and more. Then there is also an advanced work management that you also contact for, and you can get your plan. So you can see right here that Smartsheet is not expensive at all. It's a pretty affordable platform with a lot of different features and tools that you can avail. When it comes to the different products of Smartsheet, as I showed you, we have automations, we have proofing, we also have integration. So with Smartsheet, you can not only do things within Smartsheet, but we can integrate Smartsheet to different platforms. There are hundreds of platforms that are available for integration and to add to our Smartsheet, whether it's like a management software, if it's time tracking, if it's forms, anything you want to, you can get it within your Smartsheet. So these are the different features that you will be getting. So if I take you back to our main dashboard now, you can see we have all of our workspaces here, all of the suggestions, and I can access them anytime I like. You can also check out your history from the recents here, and you can also use the search bar here to search for any kind of sheet or any kind of data that you're looking. So yeah, guys, that was a thorough review of a Smartsheet. And now you know everything about Smartsheet and you know how to use it as a complete beginner. I hope this video was a big help to you. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.